The next day.
GoPro.
The road continues past plantations and streams up into the hills, going past the excellent Kabbe holiday homestay, and finally comes to an end just below Kabbe Peak. Adjacent to a small car park is the Forest Department checkpost, where the guards check for disposable plastic items and record visitor details. A few hundred meters ahead is a small pond to the left of the path, next to which a track goes up the hill. The mist-covered grassy hillside looks like a scene out of Switzerland in the spring.
If you want, I'll give heart.
Give heart.
You're jumping there.
Going up the path, one gets to see a dense shola forest on the left, which is home to a variety of birds. The viewpoint is a 20-minute hike up from the parking spot, and views from there are fantastic.
Actually, if we go straight up the first step of Lord Shiva, there only.
The top of the hill is at an altitude of 1300 meters, and the steep drop off towards Kerala goes down 200 meters. Looking towards the west, one can see the Malabar coast on a clear day, a distance of about 60 kilometers as the crow flies. To the northwest, the Kabbe peak can be seen, with the taller Mule peak behind it. Hiking up Kabbe peak or going all the way to Chomukund peak will need prior permission from the forest department, without which visitors are not allowed up to the viewpoint. The best time to come here is during the rainy seasons, because you will get to see small waterfalls here and there.
There's still so much you have to climb.
With regarding to the cleanliness, please make sure that you don't litter this place when you come here. We did see a few of these college students who were up here smoking and doing whatnot business. But when we went down, I think the forest officer had called them in and wanted to check their bags for alcohol and cigarettes. They are not allowed here. And even plastic is not allowed here, so be very careful when you're carrying a water bottle. Make sure it's not plastic water bottles and probably insulated or steel ones. And stay safe, guys, and keep the place clean as much as possible. Do not litter the place.
Follow the view. This side there's a hill, okay, na? There only tiger reserved area. When getting down, I saw the boat.
Lord Shiva kept his first feet here in Coorg. So it's literally foot shape idea.
Shape ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾವು ಮಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟಾಣಿ ಮಂದು ಅಂತ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಗುತ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಆದಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್.
Rider boy.
Yeah, yesterday it happened, no, for her. But why a lot of people don't come here? So If it's one of
generally crowded during the other season. Weekends are most likely to be crowded, but
but
luckily
today is
it's not
Saturday, no?
crowded, yeah.
The next day.
Bye. 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 Hey guys, so we had a wonderful breakfast. We whiled away our time in the property and we are headed back to Bengaluru, and it's around 12:30, 1 o'clock. We did have a little bit of lunch so that we don't get hungry on the way. So a little bit further and we'll be reaching Rapide, and I had to remove my GoPro because GoPro started to slip because of the vibrations on the windshield and the roads. Wait, I can't just stop like that. Anyways, so we'll be reaching Rapide in some time. What a fabulous journey this was. I had a great time. Went to Chalavara Falls, explored some unexplored territories, went to Kabbe Hills, saw something new. I'm so happy to show you guys as well. And this journey has been something else. This is, I think, the second or third time that I've taken the motorcycle to Coorg. With this KTM 390 adventure, it has been the second time. First time I had gone with a couple of my friends, which I have posted the video of as well. But yes, this journey was something else as well, and I had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's nothing much to show, just on the road, heading home now. So I'll keep you guys posted. Bye, see you, take care. KTM ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ. ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಶರಣ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೋಹನ್. Nice meeting you. Met some really sweet boys. He had a dream of owning a KTM someday, so hopefully when he owns one, and if he messages me, then we can ride together. Okay guys, until then, see you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.